everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to build email monitoring and summarization agentic bot using the Copilot Studio. So essentially, this bot will monitor an email inbox, and whenever there is a new email, it will pick it up and read the content and perform the summarization using the native GenAI capability inside the Copilot Studio. So let me start with the first demo, right? And in this demo I will use my this mailbox, right? So as you can see here, it has several different kind of emails, and my focus here is today on the order related email, and this is the one of the sample of the order email. So as you can see here, this is the kind of unstructured data, and there is a lot of information here, and to extract and create an insight from this data, right, for human it takes a lot of time, right? And now we will do this all these things through the bot, right? So let me go back to Copilot Studio. So in this demo, so I will use the test console to show the summarized information which is extracted by this bot, right, in this test console, right? So what I will do here is, let me go here to trigger. Okay, so trigger has an option where we can test the trigger, right? So these are the different email read by this bot, right? So I will pick one of the email, right? And what this bot will do is it will use this the body of the email, and then it will create a modified prompt with the prompt which I have defined, right? System prompt, and then the context from this email, right? And it will send that to the LLM model, and then we'll summarize the email information, right? So let me go ahead and click on the start testing. Okay, so as you can see here, it detected the trigger, and now it is trying to summarize the email detail. So it's okay. So now you as you can see here, it summarized the detail. So it has order related detail, and it also provided the custom inquiries, right? So basically it it read the email and it summarized all the detail, right? So now let me move on to the design, right? Let me just talk about how I have built this agentic bot, and then some of the internal architecture design part of this agentic bot, right? So I'm using here the new capability of Copilot Studio trigger, right? So essentially, as you can see here, there are many different native triggers, right, which we can leverage to build this kind of integration. And essentially for this demo I'm using this when a new email arrive trigger, right? So once we click here, so first we have to provide the connection to the mailbox, right? So it is just loading, and as you can see here, I have already connected to my mailbox, so that's why you see this connection here. Now let's go ahead and click on the next. Okay, so here actually we have to provide a different filter for our mailbox, right? So for this use case I'm using the inbox folder filter, and then for subject I'm using the order, right? Because I'm mainly concerned about the order related email, right? And then one other important thing here is we can also define the prompt, right? So basically what it will do is it will use that prompt, right? And then it will create a modified prompt with the body content, and it will send to the LLM model, right? So let me go ahead and cancel here, and let me open the trigger which I have created. So essentially once we create a trigger, it create internally the power flow, right? So let me just click here. Okay, so it's loading the flow, and let me go to old designer. Okay, so essentially it has a two connector, one for reading the emails, another is the sending the summarized email to the bot, right? So as I mentioned earlier, like I'm using the inbox filter, and then for subject I'm using the order filter, right? Order in the subject, right? And for sending a prompt to the specific port, I'm using this connector. So here I have selected where I want to send this message, right? So this will send a message to the all the user of this bot, right? And here actually I have defined my custom prompt, and then this is the data I'm passing with this custom prompt, right? So this modified prompt will be used by the Copilot, right? And then it will send to the LLM model, right? So essentially this is how we can build the agentic bot, right? So if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel for the more exciting tutorial, and also let me know in the comment how you plan to use this bot in your workflow. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.